LG's latest robot assistant is about to crash your couch and your laundry pile. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech details. Meet LG Cloyd, the futuristic home helper that's gearing up to make your housework jealous of your social life. Forget boring little robot vacuums. This one's got real arms with 5 fingers each that move almost like a person's. That means it could pick up towels, load the dishwasher, or juggle mystery socks found under the bed. Cloyd isn't just lifting forks, it's listening, learning, and adapting to you thanks to LG's cheekily named affectionate intelligence. That means the more you live with it, the more it understands you, so don't be surprised if it learns that pizza night is sacred. Everything happens from its smart head unit, which houses a brainy chipset, camera, speakers, and sensors, basically giving Cloyd a personality without the awkward small talk. It can look around, talk to you, and dodge that overpriced furniture you keep tripping over. LG's pitching this robot as part of a zero-labor home, a future where chores are optional and quality time is mandatory. When you'll actually get one and how much it'll cost is still under wraps, but it's set to make a splash at CES 2026 in Las Vegas in January. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.